everyone, welcome back to the Relax and Craft YouTube channel. My name's Fleur and today we are unboxing the February 2025 Relax and Craft subscription box. So this was the birthday box. So this is our third birthday with the Relax and Craft. So we've done 3 years of subscription boxes and this is everything that came in the box. So first of all, you get your little welcome leaflet here telling you everything about Relax and Craft. And then if we look inside, we can see all this fabulous, wonderful jewellery making goodies. So first things first, we have our relax section, which is our biscuits and our tea. So we've got after dinner mint infusion organic tea bag and some stem ginger biscuits. Gorgeous. Let me get everything out of the bags and the organza bags and I'll show you exactly what came in this beautiful birthday box. Firstly, everything comes in reusable packaging, so you can use your organza bags again and your little grip seal bags again for storing your pieces or gifting them or just keeping other components in them however you want to use them. So that's your organza bag. Now let's have a look at the gemstones. So the first gemstone that we got is this beautiful mookaite cabochon. Now they're all completely different. This one I just picked at random is a gorgeous like rhubarb colour with that beautiful mustard on the side and the pale section here. So they're all completely different, but this is a 30mm diameter mookaite cabochon. So that's your first cabochon. Your second cabochon is a stunning, absolutely beautiful crazy lace agate cabochon, and this is a 22 by 30mm cabochon, so still a really good sizable piece of gemstone. Absolutely beautiful, completely, every single one of them is completely different and they all have this crazy lace pattern onto them. Really beautiful. And to complement those, we got some crazy lace agate gemstones. Let me just move those to the side so it will focus. So crazy lace agate gemstones, so you can see here, really beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. The patterns that are on there match your cabochon just perfectly. And then the last strand of gemstones that we got were some mookaite tumbles, and again match perfectly with the cabochon which is in the box, as you can see. I'll put some light on there so you can see a little bit better. So they are all of our gemstones that we got. So we got two 38cm strands and two cabochons. Now let's see what else we got to make this into beautiful jewellery. So in our next bag we've got some cords. Now these cords match the gemstones absolutely perfectly. They've been chosen to match so that there is all the colours in the gemstones get picked out by these beautiful cords. This is a 0.8 cord. You get 8 meters on each reel, and we've got coconut brown, burgundy and a beautiful gold. Really lovely, and this is my favourite braided cord as well, so we can make some gorgeous pieces with this cord, and it's a real nice structural cord as well. And then we've got some wire. So we've got 3 meters, approximately 3 meters of 0.4 non-tarnished copper wire. We got approximately 3 meters of 1mm non-tarnished copper wire, and we've got 0.6 meters, 0.6mm, 3 meters approximately of our non-tarnished copper wire. So 0.6, 1mm and 0.4, so perfect for all your wire work pieces that you're wanting to make with this box. Let's see what the last bag had in it. So in our last bag is all the findings that we're going to need to make gorgeous jewellery. We've got some jump rings, some 3mm jump rings, perfect for attaching your clasps to or your pendants or however you want to use them. We've got some 3mm copper beads, again non-tarnished copper beads. You get roughly 25 of those. We've got head pins, lobster claw clasps and some shepherd hooks. So if I just bring everything back, we can see how it all works together so beautifully. So we've got our gemstones, our cabochons, our cords. I'll just remove that bag. our cords, if they're going to stay there. We use stay there cords. Let's put them there so that they'll stay. They're trapped. And our wires, so our 3 gauges of wire. So that's everything that came in the February birthday box. Now, if there are any of these boxes available, I will link them in the description below, and all the details for a Relax and Craft subscription is also in the details. So if you want to have a little look through, or maybe look on the website for some of the past boxes that are available, feel free to go and have a look. So I think you can see that this birthday box was absolutely jam-packed full of jewellery making goodies, but it's also jam-packed full of tutorials. Because it's the birthday box, I'm going to give you all 3 of the PDF tutorials that go with this box on the pieces that you'll see at the end of this video. So if there are any boxes left and you do want to snap one up, you will get those tutorials as well with it into your inbox when you check out. If you have liked this kind of unboxing video and you want to see more tutorials from myself, or tool reviews, jewellery making reviews, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you could give this a little like and a comment, that would really help. Tell me what you would make with this. If it's not what we've made already, what would you make with this beautiful box? So, thank you ever so much for watching. I really do appreciate the time that you've taken to watch this video, and I will see you on the next Relax and Craft video. Thanks a lot.